Welcome back to my conversation. Hope you guys are having a great morning. I'm having a fun time here on the show, and the list of great guests continues. Please put your hands together and welcome our next guest from Home Funding Corp, Kevin Garrett, Alice, and Mike. How you doing today?
Doing good, doing
Thank
good.
you so much for
Nice
being on the show.
having
How you
you.
doing? How
Thank
you
you.
doing?
Thank you.
Y'all look good today, man. Relax. It's
Thanks.
okay. No, right off the top, tell us about Home Funding Corp.
Well, Home Funding is a mortgage company. We specialize in helping homeowners either refinance their home or individuals purchase a home for the very first time. Even reverse mortgages for the seniors out there, we offer that service as well. So if anyone's interested in buying a home, refinancing a home, or doing a reverse mortgage, they can contact Kevin Garrett at Home Funding. They can go to my Facebook page. We're located at the 191 West Shaw here in the wonderful city of Fresno, right between Maroa and Blackstone. So we specialize in helping people buy or refinance a home.
Gotcha, Kevin. Now, what if they don't have the best of credit scores?
Wow, that's a good question. Because from time to time, people, have challenges, right?
Definitely.
Or hiccups,
Got
or
it.
episodes in their credit, or, they might have a low credit score. The good thing about coming to us, though, because of my background in doing mortgages, I also did credit repair, I can help them and guide them to getting their scores where they need. So if they have a 400 score or a 500 score, I'm going to give them the tools to bring their scores up higher. That way they'll be able to get pre-approved for a home purchase. Even if they have a low score and they have a lot of equity in their home, chances are it might be a situation where we can help them do that too. So don't stop from calling because you have a low credit score, because I'm a guide you through that. So we kind of specialize in home financing, helping you repair your credit if need be, and helping you get into that home that you desire to have.
So the full process you're there to walk them through.
Absolutely.
Now, Alice, tell us a bit about what you do.
I'm a salesperson, so I'll help them find the home that they're looking for.
Oh, okay. See, that's what I was curious about, because it's always good to match the right person with the right house. You're not buying too much house for your pockets.
Exactly. And one thing that's really important, before anyone decides to go buy a house, if they're not paying cash, they need to call me. They need to call somebody like me, right? Because I'm going to put together their file for them. I'm going to make sure their loan's approved. And the best part about working with Home Funding, we're going to connect you with two great agents.
Gotcha.
We have agents that we're in a relationship with. We get their loan approved, and all we have to do is give one of our agents a call. They'll find the property that you're looking for, write at your price point that you're comfortable with, and they'll write the offer for you, get you in contract, and get you in those keys that you're looking for. So, you need to give us a call at Home Funding, because we're going to take care of you, and we're going to connect you with the right people too.
Sounds good. Now, how long have you been doing Home Funding?
That's a good question. I've been doing mortgage since 1997. That's how old I am. No, I'm kidding. But I've been in the mortgage business for 20 years this October, actually the 27th. So I've seen the goods, the bads, and the uglies. There's other other things I can do for them as well. If they had a problem, before they go to foreclosure, I could help them restructure their file and do what they call a loan modification. It's not popular now, but I still have the experience to do that with them too. And even if they are struggling with their mortgage and they need to get rid of it and they need to sell their home, they can give me a call, because I can connect them with an agent who can help them put their home on the market, and we'll just get the equity before the bank does. So it's one-stop shop. Take care of it all from here at Home Funding.
Now, say I don't have the largest of down payments. Is that absolutely necessary?
The better the larger down payment is always the better. That's going to lower your payment every month, right? But it's not really required. I mean, if you're a first-time home buyer, I have a program that'll give you the down payment for you. What that program requires is a 640 credit score or higher, and I'll give you 5% down. 3.5% of that will be go towards your down payment. The other 1.5% will go towards your closing costs. And with this program, I can even ask the seller to take care of the rest of it. So you can really buy a home with no money down or no money out of your pocket. You should give me a call if you're interested in buying a home. I can help you through the process.
I felt you was talking to me when you said that right there. You should give me a call. You're right. I should give you a call.
Absolutely.
Now, Mike, what do you do with the company?
And I'm with Guarantee Real Estate. I am a real estate salesperson. I specialize in residential real estate, and I work with buyers and sellers. And I like to help buyers, especially because they come into the market. A lot of them have read things online, but then I surprise them with information that they didn't know about. And that's especially on the first meeting, so they get to trust me, and then they open up more about what they need. And then I always make sure that they are comfortable with their monthly payment. Sometimes a lot of couples today, they just want to have one spouse's income go towards the mortgage payment. And that's something that's very tricky. I like to find that out first if it can be done, and then If they're comfortable with the payment, then we go from there. So, and you know, Kevin can always set them up with that and find out what they are comfortable with. And what impacts a lot of people is the interest rate. Even though today it might be 4% because of their credit rating, it's a little bit higher. It makes their payment higher. There's also mortgage insurance that has to be accounted for, and then the taxes that people forget about. And there's always little things, incidentals.
Now, I gotta say, one of the things that you mentioned off the top when you first started talking, I like to help.
That's really important.
That's huge right there. Not just sell them a home, but help them.
Exactly.
A lot of times you get a couple of agents or loan officers just be like, oh, let's just do this paperwork and get you out of here.
Right.
But the help is always good. Now, is there any other education that the consumer should know when it comes to buying a home?
Well, you know, there's programs that do require first-time homebuyer education, and then there's programs that don't. I offer both. Every situation is different. You know, I always encourage to get the education. That's going to help them understand how to use their credit properly, how to manage their money properly, because the education is going to include budgeting, right? And that's important, especially if they need to budget to save for a down payment. Right. And also the education teaches them what they need to do in case something happens. For example, maybe they couldn't make a payment on this month. So that education that I provide with that program or that educational system teach them the steps on how to avoid going into foreclosure. Like I mentioned before, maybe we can do a loan modification, restructure their loan. The education that I provide will teach them that too. So they'll get a whole gamut of information. It's really, really awesome for them to do. In fact, we're going to be doing home buying workshops coming up here soon. So we're going to have workshops here in our location and different locations. So they should call me if they want to attend one of our home buying workshops, because I'm going to be teaching a lot of tips and tricks on fixing credit and all kind of things to help them out to buy a home. So they should call me if they want to even just come to learn about how to buy a house, especially if it's their first time.
Speaking of people calling you, that sounds like a lot, and they need to come down and sit down with you.
Yes.
What's the best way to contact you? Where are you located? Give us the information so
Okay.
for the people out there that want to
Well, the best way to contact me is give me a call. The number is 559-260-7950, or you can go on my Facebook page. It's simply Kevin Garrett, or you can look us up on the internet. It's hfc-corp.com. If you go /Fresno, you'll see me in a video there as well. Or you can even email me at bkglens@gmail.com. Again, that's bkglens@gmail.com. We're located at 191 West Shaw here in the lovely city of Fresno, right between Blackstone and Aurora. So give us a call. We'll help you in the process of getting your home loan and make your home loan this year. Or if you need to refinance, give us a call. We'll walk you through that process and make sure you can get save some money refinancing a home. That's how they can reach me.
Sounds good. Thanks a lot for the information. Give another round of applause for our guests, Kevin, Alice, and Mike. Make sure you contact them for all your home loan needs. You guys don't go anywhere. We got more coming right after this.